We've looked at 3 different minor chords so far in this A Chord a Day challenge, and they are A minor, D minor and E minor. But did you know you can play all of those chords with just one chord shape? Let me show you. Now this here on the screen is the B minor chord, and unlike the A minor, D minor and E minor, this chord uses all 4 fingers. And let's have a look at how to fret this. So what we have is the first finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, the 1st string. We then have the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, the 2nd string. And then the 4th finger, your little finger, goes on the 4th fret of the G string, the 3rd string. And your 3rd finger goes on the same fret, the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string. And you're only going to play the top 4 strings, and that gives you a wonderful minor sound. Now you're only playing the top 4 strings, so you need to dampen the 5th string and the 6th string, because this is what you should have. Right, that's the sound. If you don't dampen the strings, you'll have this, which is not too nice. So we use the thumb to dampen this string here. And it will also dampen the 5th string as well. So you kind of bring in your thumb around to dampen those 2 low strings. Now remember, with a new chord, check that your strings ring out nicely. Just like this. Let's try a few practice chord progressions with the B minor chord. And here's the first one. We've got D, B minor, G and A. Let's take this slowly. Let's go through it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second chord progression is quite similar, except we're changing the G for an E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a bit more of a change. We're starting with B minor, then there's a G, E and an A. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B minor, D, and then A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last one, G, A minor, B minor, C, D. And that C, D is a slightly quicker change because it's a half bar. Half bar of C, half bar of D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're probably thinking, oh my God, I can't get to that B minor quickly. Well, there's only one thing that's really going to help you there, and that's practice. Because for all guitarists, we all go through the same thing where we learn a new chord even, and we can't get the change quickly from one to another. But that takes time. It's this muscle memory thing. If you practice it every day, if you're putting in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes every day, you're going to get that skill of going from a G to a B minor really quickly, a C to a B minor really quickly, D to B minor really quickly. It will happen as long as you practice. Put in the reps and you'll get the results. But how is this minor chord shape capable of being every other minor chord? Well, it's simply this. This chord here is what we call a movable chord, because you can play it up and down the fretboard. So at the 2nd fret, it is a B minor. At the 5th fret, we have D minor, which we learned in a previous A Chord a Day challenge video. At the 7th fret, it's an E minor. And at the 12th fret, which is actually pretty difficult for me with this guitar, yep, very difficult, that's an A minor. But you don't want to play an A minor there, you just want to play it up here. But it can be an A minor chord if you were playing, for example, if you're playing an electric guitar, it wouldn't be a problem. But this, as I said, you've got B minor at the 2nd, D minor at the 5th, E minor at the 7th. But there are chords in between. So for example, B minor, if you go up 1 fret, gives you C minor. If you go up another fret, gives you C sharp minor. And so on. And what I would recommend is that, you practice just going up and down the fretboard. And the thing is, don't be overwhelmed by the fact that this one chord can be a chord up here or it can be a chord down here with a different name. Don't be overwhelmed by it. The more you practice, you'll remember all of these chord names.
Remember.
It's just a case of, I keep saying it, but it's practice. So, what can I say? Practice. Check out this video here for a little extra practice on this B minor chord. Thanks so much for joining me today in this A Chord a Day challenge looking at B minor. Happy strumming.